So before this video starts, I have, believe it or not, a giveaway for a Butterfly Knife Sapphire factory new. So make sure you check the link in the description. Now it's not tradable yet, that's the only reason that I don't actually have it in my inventory. But right when it's tradable, I'm completely positive that I will be getting this one because I'm already in talks with the guy and I'm going to be offering more than anyone else, do not worry. And I'll post updates on Twitter when I do get the knife so you guys can know that's legit. I just have to wait 7 days. But either way, the winner will be picked pretty soon after I do end up getting the knife, so make sure you enter now. Pretty damn insane knife, the Butterfly Sapphire. But let's get into this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Mixkilled here, and today I'm going to be opening $1,000 worth of the new Spectrum cases. As you can see, I've actually got $1,000 in my Steam wallet. I thought that would be kind of cool to show in the video. And if you don't know how you do that, you can actually do that if you buy these Steam gift cards. And I think I can get around 125 cases just to be safe. So I think if we do it in order like this, we should pretty much be good. Yeah, it looks like we'll be good at 520 maximum. So gonna buy the cases first, then gonna buy a bunch of keys. Might be able to buy a few more keys, but yeah, I'll see you guys once I've got all these cases. Gonna be pretty crazy. Alright, so I got 125 cases, 125 keys, and we're just gonna get straight into these. Gonna be inventory buttoning. Oh, XM Seasons. I'm actually gonna be doing a video about that skin soon. Pretty cool. I actually want to put this on case because that's the fastest way to possibly... Oh, really? That doesn't really do... Okay, I probably should have bought the keys first now that I'm thinking about this. I think I should be able to make this work though. But I do want to inventory button all of these cases so I can open them up super fast. Okay, I'm on the heart of the case pages here. Gonna be going through these pretty quickly. We got pretty much blues and purples so far. But I've seen some people get really lucky in this new case. In fact, I've been talking to one guy who's unboxed 2 different Marble Fade knives, which is absolutely ridiculous. There's been multiple sapphires unboxed, there's been rubies unboxed, some guy got a Bowie ruby. I'll probably do a video on all the best unboxings pretty soon. I'm definitely waiting to see if anyone's going to get a StatTrak Factory New Ultraviolet or StatTrak Factory New Black Pearl, because those would be the most insane things in this whole case. But honestly, the things I want the most are the knives. Some of these reds and pinks are pretty cool, but each one of these cases is $7, so I'm really hoping we can try to get a knife, but I might not want to jinx it. I don't have the best luck when it comes to cases. We're getting quite a few of the XM Seasons. We got a lot of those, a lot of blues still, but the case odds, ooh, we got one skin that looks pretty good, StatTrak Pink. Chances of getting a StatTrak Pink are pretty low, so that is not bad at all. And what is wrong with my inventory? Oh, here we go. So it's field tested, not too great though, it's not factory new, so not going too well so far. This could be going worse though. I've definitely seen worse case unboxings with just pretty much all blues, but we'll see what we can get. Hopefully we don't just get all trash, because this is a lot of cases. This is probably the biggest unboxing on YouTube so far. Has anyone actually dropped $1,000, 125 cases? We can maybe even do like actually I can't really do too many more. I think I've got like $50 on Steam left, but pretty big amount of cases right here. Just going through them so fast. Each one of these clicks is like $8 almost. $5 case and $2.50 for the key on Steam. So yeah, we'll see what we can get though. And yeah, hopefully, I really hope some of those guys with the crazy luck can share it with me. I know Care got a pair of StatTrak daggers that are Tiger Tooth. I feel like I'm seeing more people just get like the really good ones. I haven't even seen too many people getting Rust Coat or Damascus Steel too. I bet with my luck I'll get the Shadow Daggers Rust Coat, which that is probably the worst knife in the game. Not gonna lie, Shadow Daggers Rust Coat. Like, it really just does not get worse than that. But with my luck, I'll probably get it, even though I did unbox a pretty good knife kind of recently. I unboxed the Banat Electronic, and I did also get an M4 Knight from a cobblestone case. So actually, my luck hasn't been... the case luck that I had in like really old unboxings was really bad, but lately I haven't been doing too bad unless we go through all these cases with nothing. And don't worry, there's a lot more cases here, not just that page there, obviously. Getting quite a few of these XM Seasons. I actually really like the XM Season skin. One of my favorites in the new case. I do like this new case a lot in general though. Ooh, Fever Dream. That's a pretty sweet skin. I'll have to check on the condition. It's field tested. I don't really know. It's a pretty crazy skin. It kind of reminds me of like if the Wasteland Rebel and the P90 Death by Kitty were combined, I guess you would have this skin. But yeah, pretty crazy. It's kind of cool though. Pretty flashy. So let's go through some more of these cases. This is the such a terrible skin. That's one skin in here I do not like. These sawed off Xander. It looks just like that one XM skin they used to have. It's pretty damn boring. Doesn't get much more boring than that. And it's on the sawed off, which is like gun that pretty much no one. So many XM seasons though. What the fuck is that about? All right. And yeah, there's some skins in here with some pretty cool patterns. I'll probably do a video about the patterns on some of these new skins for sure, because we haven't had any cool pattern skins in quite a while, and that's something that I used to do a lot on my channel, but then they kind of stopped adding cool pattern skins, and I haven't even done a CSGO patterns video in so long. So yeah, come on Gaben, give me something good. I know we're going through these fast, but this would take a long time to unbox. It would take like probably close to 40 minutes to unbox these on the normal speed. And another one of those. I'll check the condition later. Not too excited by that. That's probably one of the worst pinks we can get here, because the other two pinks are worth so much more than that one, and it's the same rarity, which is kind of annoying, kind of troll that we got 2 of the CZ, but obviously that's better than the normal stuff that you can get from this case. So lots of blues, just straight blues. Come on, going through these, and I think we still got like a page or page and a half left. It is really going to be just the biggest money waste ever. Should I maybe slow down on some of these cases for that extra luck? I mean, it really doesn't make a difference, obviously, though. Just takes longer. And I did get a souvenir M4S Knight just inventory buttoning, so it's not like you have to actually wait for the case to unbox. This is the fastest way. You can speed up your case unboxing, which is what I used to do, but that still makes it take quite a long time, so that's why I've just switched to this method of just inventory buttoning all. Well, I think I've done this before in previous videos, but I think it is the most effective way to just go through all the cases in mass super fast. And what the fuck? This is incredibly glitched out right now. Not even sure what is going on there, but that's pretty glitched out. And yeah, we still got like a page left, but I'm starting to get a little worried here. We're really not going to get anything that good. We got, the best thing we got is probably that op. It wasn't Stat Track. The Stat Track skins we got that were pink were both that CZ, so come on, Gaben, see if we can get something good. A lot of those, that Scar 20 blueprint. The 5-stone skin's not too bad. I kind of like that, and we're getting a lot of them. Okay, I don't want them though. I guess it saw me complimenting it. Okay. No, we're getting so close to the end. I better get something good. I think I'll open like the last 5 cases with just waiting the whole thing out. What pisses me off the most is the people that get all these rare knives and shit, they only open like 1 case. It's not like these people are opening a lot of cases, or at least the people that I've talked to that have gotten the crazy knives from the newest case, they've literally just opened 1 case a lot of the times, is what I've noticed, which is pretty crazy. And I actually have some souvenir cases down here. These were supposed to be for another video that was supposed to come out right around the time of the big new updates, so I'm kind of delaying that video because obviously there's a lot more stuff I need to make videos on now, but once it calms down a bit, I'll do that souvenir unboxing. That's going to be a really cool souvenir unboxing. I won't say exactly what it is yet, but there's going to be some pretty cool stuff in that for sure. And now we're just getting nothing now, just complete shit skins. We've only got a few cases left. Come on, we got to get one of these clutch cases here, but the odds are pretty unlikely. So let's see. We actually only have 3 keys. I think I got a case and drop or something, or I might have bought a case earlier. Forgot to open it, but okay. I'm gonna wait these ones out, see if that changes anything, but nope, that is not changing anything. Alright, I didn't really wait that out though, so I'll wait this one fully out, but I think it's rip, boys. I think it's rip, and that's terrible. Alright, one more case. Actually, I'll buy a key for the last one. Why not just open that one? Maybe that's a lucky case, and holy shit. Such terrible cases. I kind of want to open more now, just because, like, I'm so disappointed in this unboxing, you know? And come on. Please. Shit, okay. I'm so disappointed with that unboxing that I'm gonna buy a few more. I can't live with this, even though I probably will just get ripped more, but we'll see. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so in short, I did try to open a few more cases, but I got totally ripped. So I'll probably do another unboxing. I'm gonna try to unbox a shit ton more, like maybe somewhere in the 300 to 500 case range when the cases are a little cheaper. So look out for that. But now I'm gonna go on SkinHub because I did sponsor the giveaway for this video, which is pretty nice of them because that's an insanely expensive knife and they actually let me buy it. So I'm gonna go on their site now, see if I can make some cases and make some profit, get some cool knives. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I'm on SkinHub now, and I'm going to use the case creator. I like doing this every time because you can make your own case. There's some pretty cool stuff on here. I think they've actually fixed the prices, because before, a lot of the stuff was priced way too low. So what exactly do I want? Karambit Fade, that's a pretty nice knife, not gonna lie. So let's go for a Karambit Fade. I think I might do one of these risky cases that I'd like to go, ooh, some of these Hedge Maze gloves. Hedge Maze, those are really cool looking. I wouldn't mind trying to get one of those just to play around with. Actually, let's just go for the field tested version of that, I guess. I don't think they have a better condition one. Let's do one of these, and then let's do one of these really risky cases. I like to do these ones, and then let's put this one on, and let's do 10 on this, 10 on this, 10 on that. And should I do something else too? Should I do something else that's expensive? Let's see. Could go for a Karambit Lore too. Why not? Maybe we should put one of these really high items at a super low price. That might be kind of cool. So let's put that at only, let's put it at 5%. Let's put this one at 10%. No, this one's going to be, so that's 35. So this is going to be at 65%. And there we go. So we'll see what we can get from this case. This is a pretty cool case. Not gonna, oh, I need to add a name to it. The Mick case. Okay. Submit it. And alright, so now we can open it up. Can open up quite a few of these. Should we do 3 at once? Actually, let's do 2 at once. Let's see what we can get here. Alright, so odds aren't too good on this case, but there's a really high reward. Okay, what the fuck? Just got 2. That's not the most expensive thing in here for sure, but we just doubled our money. So that was a really good opening. I'm actually going to keep those. That was pretty lucky. We'll see what we can get next though. That's probably going to be the XM because I did make it so the odds are really high in that. Okay, so shit, we just got that. It's kind of weird that we got both of those Karambit Fades at the very start though. So I'm just going to do one case at a time now. Just open one case at the same time, and it's going to be an XM. Would actually be cool if you could open valve cases like this, like open 10 at a time. But for this case, since these are so expensive, I actually want to open these one at a time. So kind of the opposite of the valve cases, because I was opening those like crazy. And shit, now we're not doing too well. But we did get those 2 Karambit Fades at the very start. So let's drop one more of these. I might sell one of the Karambit Fades, see if we can get something else. And shit, we got the blue spruce. Might have some affiliate money on here too, so I'll see if I can get some more credits if I use the affiliate money, I think. Okay, I got 200 more credits from that. So I'm gonna go back to my, should I go to one of my old cases too? I got some, oh, that case got increased in value when they changed that. What's this case here? I actually think I want to do that new case I just made. That was a pretty good case, the Mick case. Alright, drop another one. Come on, let's get one of these things. Ooh. And that's a rip. Shit. Can maybe do an ultra high risk case. We can try to make one more. See if we can make some. We actually did. We still have like $800 worth of Karambit Fades though, but I think I might just withdraw those because those are pretty nice knives. And I think they're even worth a little more than they're on here, so it's not that bad of a deal to be honest. Alright, so I'm in a case now that is 10% to get the Hedge Maze, Hedge Maze minimal wear. I don't know why I cannot say that. Maybe we should do 2 cases at once because I got really lucky when I did that the first time. And there's only 10% on this, so probably won't get it, but those gloves are so nice, so I want to do a final ditch effort for those. And shit, you know what? I want to get these gloves. I'm going to sell one of the Karambit Fades. Screw it. Sell this for 18. Alright, so now we can open up a bunch of these. These gloves look really sweet. I don't know if I have enough to do. Actually, no, I don't have enough to do that. I have enough to do 5. 5 at once, boys. Holy shit, only 10% though. So there's like a 50% chance kind of for these. And we got one of them. That's pretty sweet. That's double our money, I believe. That was pretty lucky. Okay, so we're doing pretty well now. Let's open up. I'm gonna try a single one. Can we get another one? Come on, come on. It's a pretty nice pair of gloves. Alright. They probably won't have the gloves in stock, because that's not a very common item. I think the system actually works. They if you try to request it, they like try to stock it up. For most of the low tier items, they usually have it in stock though. But alright, so we got a pair of $520 gloves, a Karambit Fade, and yeah, some pretty nice stuff I can withdraw here. See what happens if I try to claim this. I do not think they're going to have that in stock. I can swap it. I can swap it with a Falchion Knife Crimson Web Factory New. That's not bad at all. But I do kind of want to get those gloves, so I'm going to wait for them to stock that up. But that's actually worth around the same value, so that's pretty sweet. And we have our Karambit Fade here as well, which probably also isn't in stock, but they should have it in stock pretty soon. I can actually switch with a lot. Oh, I can get a Karambit Slaughter Factory New. I think I may just wait for the Karambit Fade to be Factory New, but if I wanted to, I could switch with all these other items, which are pretty nice as well. But or actually, should I just go for the Karambit Slaughter Factory New? That's actually worth more in here anyway. Why not? I think it'd be cool to show the swap on here. So we got that now, and we can actually withdraw that. That's one of the coolest features about the site, which is why I actually went with this site instead of all the other case opening sites, is you can actually withdraw stuff because you can swap it if they don't have it, and then they actually do a good job of stocking stuff up. Like, and if they don't get you your skin, you can just contact them on support. And I do know they actually go through the dedication to look through every single one of those tickets. So pretty nice. We got ourselves a new knife, a new knife, not a new knife, and I should be getting that pair of gloves soon as well. So hopefully you guys like this video, and make sure to enter the giveaway down below in the description. I'm McSkillet, and I'm out.
Instantly trade your skins on Skin.Trade.